Ever wondered how search engines like Google determine your website ranking? It's a complex process, a digital dance of algorithms and data. In this intricate tango, a term that you might not be familiar with plays a leading role: citations. These are like digital nods, references from other sites that help search engines understand your website's credibility. The more credible your site, the higher it dances up the search engine ranks. Citations act as a key player in this game of rankings. But what makes them so pivotal? Citations in the digital world are mentions of your business name, address, and phone number on other web pages. They are like the breadcrumbs that lead the way to your digital doorstep. Now let's unpack the importance of these citations. Imagine you're a detective trying to verify the credibility of a suspect. The more consistent evidence you find, the more you trust your findings, right? Similarly, when a search engine finds consistent citations of your business across various web pages, it builds trust in your business's credibility. But it's not just about trust. Citations are like fuel for your local SEO. They provide search engines with solid, trustworthy data about your business, helping them understand your relevance to specific geographic locations. This is particularly crucial if you're a local business looking to attract customers in your vicinity. And there's more. Citations from well-established portals, such as industry directories or reputable media outlets, are like gold dust. They significantly enhance your business's visibility and ranking, acting as a signal to search engines that your business is not just credible, but also an authority in your field. Remember, in the vast digital landscape, standing out is key, and citations are one of the most effective ways to achieve this. They are like digital signposts, guiding potential customers and search engines to your business. Think of citations as your business's digital footprint. The wider it spreads, the more visibility your business gains. Consistency, they say, is key. This holds especially true when it comes to citations. Picture a ship navigating through the vast ocean, the captain using the stars as a guide. A sudden shift in the star's position would leave the captain lost, wouldn't it? In the same vein, search engines are like that captain, and your citations are the stars. Inconsistent citations can confuse search engines, much like a misaligned constellation. Imagine a scenario where on one site your business is listed as John's Pizzeria, and on another it's John Pizzeria. This discrepancy can throw off search engines, making it difficult for them to understand which is the correct representation of your business. This confusion often leads to a drop in your search engine ranking. Therefore, maintaining consistency in your citations is not just a good practice, it's a necessity. It ensures that search engines can accurately understand and represent your business. Hence, it's not just about having citations, it's about having accurate and consistent citations. So we've established that citations are important, but let's quickly recap why. Citations are like digital breadcrumbs leading right to your business. They validate your existence and increase your credibility in the eyes of search engines and consumers alike. They scream, "We're here, we're real, and we're ready for business." But it doesn't stop there. Citations also play a crucial role in local search engine optimization, or SEO. They boost your visibility, ensuring that you show up in local searches. This means when someone in your area is looking for the services you provide, your business pops up. But remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality and consistency too. Inconsistencies in your citations can be confusing, not just to potential customers, but to search engines as well. So, keep your information accurate and up to date across all platforms. Remember, in the digital world, every citation counts. Make sure yours are working in favor of your business ranking. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips and content. Signing off, MarketMagnetix Media Group.